case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1984 case heard by the Louisiana Supreme Court, PPG Industries Inc. v. Bean Dredging, the court determined the extent of responsibility for damages caused by negligent property damage. Bean Dredging Company had accidentally damaged Texaco's natural gas pipeline, leading Texaco to breach their contract with PPG Industries for natural gas supply. This forced PPG to obtain fuel at an increased cost from another source, and they sued Bean to recover these extra expenses. Both the trial court and the Court of Appeal sided with Bean, who argued that Louisiana did not recognize the right to recover for negligent interference with contractual relations. However, upon appeal, the Louisiana Supreme Court granted certiorari and concluded that while direct economic losses could be recovered from the negligent party, indirect economic losses incurred by the contract customer could not be recovered. The court determined that the dredging contractor was liable for the pipeline's repair costs and Texaco's direct economic losses during repairs, but not for PPG's third-party economic losses. The court reasoned that imposing liability for contract customers could result in indeterminate liability. Affirming the trial court and Court of Appeals judgments, the Louisiana Supreme Court held that the duty did not include the contract customer's risk of injury or protection from loss.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.